Is your Netgear Orbi satellite frequently disconnecting? You're not alone. About 15 to 20% of Orbi users experience this issue annually. Understanding why your satellite goes offline is the first step to fixing the problem. Research shows there are four primary causes of Orbi satellite disconnections. Power and hardware problems account for 35% of offline cases. Firmware incompatibilities cause 25% of issues. Network interference contributes to 20% of problems, and distance or placement issues cause 15% of disconnections. Power and hardware problems are the leading cause of satellite disconnections. These include unstable power connections, voltage fluctuations, especially common in older homes, and hardware component failures. Ensuring your satellite has a stable power supply is crucial for reliable operation. Firmware incompatibilities cause 25% of disconnection issues. This includes outdated firmware versions, update conflicts, and software bugs. The latest firmware version 4.6.x series, released in late 2024, specifically addresses connectivity stability issues and improves satellite synchronization. Network interference accounts for 20% of offline incidents. This includes interference from neighboring Wi-Fi networks operating on the same channels and other radio frequency devices like microwave ovens, baby monitors, and wireless phones that can disrupt the connection between your router and satellite. Distance and placement issues cause 15% of disconnection problems. Research shows that satellites placed more than 50 feet from the router are 3 times more likely to disconnect. Proper placement is crucial. Avoid thick walls and metal objects, choose central elevated locations, and maintain line of sight between devices when possible. Understanding these four primary factors, power issues, firmware problems, network interference, and placement challenges, is the first step to maintaining a stable Orbi network. By identifying the root cause of your disconnection issues, you can target the right solution and achieve reliable network performance throughout your home. Now that you understand why your Orbi satellite goes offline, let's walk through the troubleshooting steps. First, we'll start with basic diagnostics by checking the power connections and LED status on both your router and satellite. If you see amber, red, or magenta lights, the next step is power cycling. This simple but effective method resolves many connectivity issues. Unplug both your router and satellite for at least 30 seconds, then plug the router back in first, followed by the satellite. If power cycling doesn't resolve the issue, try the sync button method. This reestablishes the connection between your router and satellite. Press the sync button on both devices within a 2-minute window. According to recent data, this method has a 78% success rate on the first attempt and 92% success within 3 attempts. As a last resort, you can perform a factory reset, but remember this will erase all your settings and you'll need to reconfigure your network. For optimal performance, ensure your satellite maintains a signal strength of -50 dBmers or better. You can check this using Wi-Fi analyzer apps on your smartphone. By following these systematic troubleshooting steps, checking LED status, power cycling, using the sync button method, and monitoring signal strength, you can effectively diagnose and resolve most Orbi satellite offline issues. Remember to start with the simplest solutions first and work your way up to more complex fixes.